Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back with another video, and today I wanted to do something a little bit differently. Normally on this channel we do recommendations of bags, a lot of bag reviews, sling bags, messenger bags, backpacks. If you're into that, please make sure you subscribe. But today I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to show you what's in my minimalist everyday carry bag. So let's get started. This is the bag. We should, of course, start with the bag. Those of you who are longtime viewers of the channel will recognize this as the TomToc Compact EDC, and I've got it in the sexy new, they call it forest, I call it taupe desert colorway. I love the look of this bag, and I've always loved the functionality of the bag, but it formerly only came in black. TomToc's also got like a super cool white colorway for their smaller bags, but this bag, which is my favorite TomToc bag, only came in black, and now it comes in this cool desert colorway. Run over and grab it. I put the link in the bio, put the link in the video description, as I always do. All right, everything that we talk about on this video will be linked below. Okay. So let's dive in. What do I carry with me every day? So this is in October of 2022. This is my actual bag. I just grabbed it from the corner of the room, and I wanted to show you what I actually carry every day with me when I'm out and about. Okay, so where should we dive in? Let's dive in the front pocket. This is kind of the, when you wear this bag, this is the whip it around, easy access pocket. So what's in this pocket for me? Couple of things. One, I've got this little Joby Minimalist Tripod. Okay, boom, it's a little thing. I can set it up and I can film anywhere that I'm going, and it folds back down to an incredibly small size. In a pinch, I can also set this on the dashboard of a car and turn it into a dash cam, which I do on my other channel. So that's the first thing, little minimalist tripod. Next thing I have with me is a flashlight, and this is a light from a company called Infrared. It is a dirt cheap light. Boom, easy, cheap, small, love it. Always have a Sharpie with me. Always have my AirPods with me. These are the Gen 1 regular AirPods. I prefer these over the AirPods Pro. I also have the AirPods Max, but this is what I reach for when I am kind of in everyday scenarios. I've got the AirPods Pro. I don't like the way the buds feel in my ears compared to just the classic form factor of the AirPods. So this is also a custom case available on my store, bitofastore.com. Link in the video description. What else is in this front pocket? Just a couple of things. A worry stone. That's just a knick-knack that I use. It's got a little concave side, and use it for stress relief or to fidget with. And then my favorite knife. This is the Kershaw Filter. It is an incredibly cheap knife, but it is the best knife I've ever had for EDC carry. I did a video about this one, but that's the knife I carry every day with me. Always has been, probably always will be. That's the front pocket. Okay, so that's my kind of grab pocket. On this bag, there's also a back pocket, kind of a hidden back pocket for items you don't use quite as frequently. I've got in there my multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Wingman with a custom topographic finish on it. Always enjoyed this multi-tool. Pliers, of course, like most Leathermen, but prominently featured on this unit as well is a knife blade, and the killer feature for me, a really useful pair of scissors. What else is in this back pocket for me? Well, it's kind of a small pocket. So I just toss in a couple of backup cords in case something happens to my primary cords or I forget them or lose them. It's a USB-C to Lightning and a USB-A to Lightning. All right, so that's the quick access pocket and the slow access pocket, as we'll call it. What about the main pocket in my EDC bag? Well, this is a cool bag. It opens most of the way. In this bag I've got a full review of this bag. I'll put that link in as well. But this is my everyday carry. Now, this is the only item I'm showing you that is not every single day. It's a weekend carry. That's my Nintendo Switch in a TomToc minimalist carry bag. And I'll show you the Switch. This is the light in yellow. So when I'm gonna have time to kill, I'll bring that with me. All right, now this is my actual, literal, every single day, everywhere I go carry. I do YouTube, so I always have a couple of cameras on me. This is the DJI Pocket 2. Always have that. Protective case. And then it has a battery backup on it, but I also use that as a carry handle because I've got big hands, and carrying the DJI Pocket 2, which I need to do a review on probably. It's very small, and so it's a little hard for me to carry unless I attach this carry handle, which also serves as a battery backup. So great little pocket camera. I'll do a full review on it, but this is what I use indoors, and this is what I use on cloudy days. On a sunny day, the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I have and shoot on used to be the iPhone 12, now it's the iPhone 14. Outperforms this like crazy. This washes out the sky, which is a pet peeve of mine, but this literally is pocket sized. So how do I shoot on the iPhone? Well, with a gimbal. This is the DJI Osmo 6, which just came out. I formerly shot on the Osmo 4, and you can see that they've dramatically reduced the size of this unit. So very excited about that. And then I leave the little tripod attached to the bottom of the gimbal. Easier to keep it all together. All right, what else do I carry? In the front pocket, there's a little front pocket here. I keep all my electronics doodads, my dongles for SD card transfers, little attachment point for the DJI Osmo, and then SD cards, tons of SD cards. Again, I shoot a lot of video and a lot of B-roll and a lot of stuff as I'm out and about. So this bag has quite a bit of space down here. I use most of that for these couple of tech items. And then you have a stretchy elastic pocket. I've got my Anker GAN Prime, and this is a really cool item that helps me be a little bit more minimalist in my carry. It is both a power brick and a battery backup. So 10,000 mAh, love to have it with me. And then a couple of cords. These are my preferred cords. They're from Native Union. They are not only really durable, but they're also insanely light. And they don't have much bulk to them. So I've got a USB-C and a Lightning. USB-C powers the gimbals and the Switch. Lightning powers the iPhone. USB-C also powers my tablet, which we'll get to in a second. And then you have a kind of a slip pocket here, wallet sized, small pins, etc. And in this I carry my wallet. This is from Machine Era. I've had this thing forever. I carry some business cards that have the channel name on them, health insurance, some stamps, a couple of bucks, etc. My main wallet with my debit card and my driver's license is not in the bag. I keep that on the back of my phone. There is a whole separate channel. It's not a separate channel. There's a whole separate video on that. I use the MagBack case and wallet, which I think is the absolute best case for a phone on the market, period. Hands down, not even close. I haven't owned another case for my EDC, for my phone, in 5 years. It's the best case, period. All right, so last item in my everyday carry is this. This is my iPad Pro 11-inch with Magic Keyboard. What is not in my everyday carry for tech? My laptop. Don't bring it with me. Never leave the house with it, ever. Always leave the house with this. This has tons of battery. It's been in my bag for 2 days now. It's got 86% battery left. This does everything I need it to, including video editing on the go. When I'm at home, I'll use my laptop. When I'm on the go, always my iPad Pro with Magic Keyboard. So that's it. That's my carry. It's fairly minimalist, and I can still edit it down. When I don't need the Nintendo Switch, I don't bring the Switch. When I want to cut even more weight, I can cut the pocket out and just bring my gimbal and my phone. So let me know what you guys think. What items do I not have in my carry that are critical to your carry? And is there anything that you saw here that was new to you that you really enjoyed and liked? I will do one of these about every 3 or 4 months to show you how my carry evolves over time, and to also show off what bag I'm currently using and infatuated with as my EDC bag. So it's a minimalist carry. It's always tech focused. I always try to keep light items. I always try to keep really simple items for what I need while I'm out and about. Used to be super maximalist, used to carry a backpack everywhere I went with literally everything I may ever need. For now, when I'm not traveling, when I'm not on more than a 24-hour trip, this is what I take with me, and this is what I carry. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. If you did enjoy the video, please, I ask you, subscribe. We do all kinds of bag reviews on this channel. I think you'll really dig it. Please like the video and share it if you can. Everybody, thanks so much. See you next time. Bye for now.